Hey dear admin, so in this video we can learn how to build a box using FAD application. So we recently launched a new feature with our application, and to use that offer you just need to go to install this application, then go for the app dashboard with the FAD auto discount, create discount offer, click on the build a box. After that you can see here it's like a bundle, and whatever the offer name you want to go for, it is just for the internal use, so you can use whatever you want to go. Here you can set, I want to create an offer like if user purchase 3 products from this selected collection, then it will be like apply a discount. So I create bundle 3 here, choose the collection. You can choose one or more than one depending on your requirement, so you can, I just choose here 2 collections. Now set a quantity like 3 quantity, then percentage off like 30% off here. Okay, with this what you need to do, here you need to set your offer property, whatever the property you want to go for with this bundle. For example, I set here bundle 1. okay, you can set anything, but I set here a demo for the bundle 1. After this you can save this offer. Once you save, it will be generate a short code for you. So like after saving it, you can see here the short code is there, so you can use this short code to display this offer inside your page area. And if you want to display the offer inside the home page or any other pages using a section, then you need to copy the code here and the ID. Okay, for the widget, how it will be look like, you can set the title, description, and whatever the progress is there, so you can set it from here with the widget. Now currently I set this with the page, so what I can just select this copy, go for the online channel, go for the online store here. After that go to the pages, create a new page, enter any name whatever you want to go for. After that just click on the show HTML area, because we are just copying the HTML using shortcode, so just paste that shortcode here and set it as visible and go for the save. Once you save it and go for the page, it will be display the widget here like you can see. Okay, now what you need to do, just select the product whatever you want to go for the bundle and click on the add to cart to go for the add to cart. Okay, here you can see it apply the bundle 3 discount. Okay, the other thing is, if you want to display this widget like this, the widget, if you want to display this widget inside your home page, not on the pages area but in the home page, what you need to do, just go for the online store, click on the edit theme, add a section here, for example apps, and go for the FAD bundle widget. Now once you add that, it asks for the bundle ID, so you need to go for here, copy the ID and paste it here. Once you paste and save, it will be display a widget here in your page, like either it's a home page or it's a contact us or whatever the page is there, it will be display here, and from here user can do add to cart and all other stuffs. I hope these features can help you to create a bundle by custom code. So if you need any other help, just let me know, I'm here for that, or our live chat can help you to set up the things. Thank you.